Oh my gosh. There we go. All around the fern plant, the fern is so pimpy. All around the fern plant, PimpyFern.
Lena, finally. Oh, I thought that was from the views.
It tastes really good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it tastes so good.
Wow.
Wow.
This is Elena.
Make sure
It's
it's
what I can't see.
What flavor do you have in yours?
Maui Wowie.
Maui Wowie.
Oh, you got this from Stefan?
Mm-hmm.
This is so nice.
Yeah.
It's not that
That's pretty nice.
And it hits so
It's okay.
clear.
nice.
So much.
It's so much smoke, it looks like unreal.
Yeah.
Hit it and watch it go from your face, dude, I swear. Look, it looks like it's not freaking real! That's crazy! It's
Why
like
are
so
you so
thick. It's so thick. I love Vape Nation.
Vape pods.
Wow. Gang, gang. Gang, gang.
Check this out.
Those are the cool kids.
Oh, wow.
What the
That was
fuck
still
that?
thick. It was still
I know.
thick with a, like, double C.
Double C.
Ooh. Blow a O at the GoPro.
Okay. That rhymed.
Is that?
Is it? Okay. It sounds so weird whenever you have a lot of smoke in your
Yeah,
throat
I
and
love
you
it.
try to
I
talk.
love it.
It's so weird. Why does that happen?
It kind of is hard to do it too.
You're moving the GoPro.
Cause she clearly can't aim it.
I'm trying.
Let Andrew do it. He has thicker O's.
Pussy O's though.
He has triple C.
Yeah,
Quadruple
juicing
C.
off that girl's O's.
So cool.
Oh! That was dope. The way it like breaks on the GoPro.
I know, right?
Andrew has way better aim than you.
Okay, fuck y'all. It's just the breeze in here that messed me up.
Okay. That was really cool.
Why are you so like...
I freaking love them.
Yeah,
Vapes are. It's just. Oh. Smoke got me. It's so awesome.
Y'all, I almost hit a dog last night.
For real?
I was going down the highway, and there was a car on the side of the road, and they had their, what's it called? Warning light?
Caution.
Holy fuck.
Whoa, it's so much. Ah, look at this side. Dang.
I can definitely jump over you from there. Just might get a dick in your eye.
Yeah. You sure you don't need a farther run?
Should I do like,
What if he like
should I
not?
do like this or like this?
Like that.
Alright.
I'm kind of scared.
You could do
I
it.
could definitely
You
like,
could do it.
probably,
If you just put your head down,
Yeah, put your head, yeah, I got that.
just do it.
Head down,
Don't put your head up, you're gonna slap me my dick.
Yes. Yes. He cleared that shit. He almost landed on your back, but he still cleared that shit.
And now let me drop.
Wait, do it again. Do it again.
Oh, it's starting to rain. No, come here to me. Go to me. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, so soft, baby. So cute, though. Wet, but still cute. We're playing with the Xbox. He
Don't
has
worry
his
about that.
camera.
Oh, you got to quit the game, bro.
I did.
What a bitch.
Damn, she is immortalizing me.
What the fuck?
Oh,
What a hoe and a half.
she is eating you.
XX, XXY, XXB, XY. Okay. Left X. Wait.
Oh.
Is it left XY at the same time?
No, just left X and Y.
I don't think so.
Try them together then.
Fish.
B.
No! Oh, fuck. I'm some trash. I'm sorry, y'all. Fucking thought.
Hello. Hey.
Yeah. Big head on the beat. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine.